Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a light bulb character. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to come here in the middle of the page, and we're going to draw a big light bulb shape, like this. Big round circle. Next, we're going to come down, we're going to draw little lines with bumps, like this. Once we have 3, we're going to come straight across and add another 3 bumps on this side. So we'll come down and do bump, 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 and stop right there. Next, let's draw some lines down the center of the shape, and then a little rectangle at the bottom. And there we have our light bulb shape. So next, let's come on the inside and draw some big eyes. One there, and one there, just like that. We'll add 2 pupils looking to the side and fill them in. Then a couple lines underneath the eyes, 2 eyebrows, and then a big smile like this with some rounded teeth. Let's give our light bulb some hair, and then a highlight. Just a few details. And there we have a light bulb character. But before you go, let's draw one more. Maybe this time we'll draw a grumpy light bulb, okay? So let's come over here on the side where we have some space, and we're going to draw another round shape like this. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing that we did over here, where we do a line, bump, 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 and then one over here. 3 bumps on this side too. Then a straight line across, and a rectangle at the bottom. A couple lines inside, and there we have our light bulb shape. Next, let's do a big straight line across in the center of our shape, our circle shape, and 3 rounded lines underneath our straight line, just like that. We'll add a couple lines underneath the eyes and some pupils looking to the side. And let's add a grumpy mouth. We do that by doing a curved line and a straight line right underneath it. You can add some teeth in the mouth, some little lines on the side of the mouth, and then a line underneath for the chin. Let's give our light bulb a little nose right there. Then a few details. I like to do some circles, a couple lines, and then some squiggly, messy hair on top. Perfect. And there we have a grumpy light bulb character. You did a really good job following along with me today. I'm so proud of you. Come back really soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye.